Hello guys, you are watching Java Coding YouTube channel. As I said, as I said earlier in in previous video, today I will tell you operators and scanner class. If you are not subscribed means then go and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay guys, now I will tell you the operators and scanner class how to take the input from user. Okay, see here public as here I have given operators the class name. So here also I have to give operators only because I have given here operators. The class name is operators. So I have given operators public static void main string box. Now I have, as I said earlier in previous video, now I will tell you about how to add the numbers and th- that's it. How to add the numbers, how to subtract and multiplicate and division. First, let's see addition. Int a equals to 6. Already you know that we have to initialize the value. How to initialize the value? Okay. Here I have initialized the value as a variable. Okay, and I have to initialize the another value into a b equals to 25. Now I will write the condition. What's the condition for addition? The condition for addition is plus a plus b. And what's the condition for subtraction? A minus b. And what's the condition for multiplication? The condition for multiplication is into a into b. What's the condition for division? Divide a divide b. So I have given here the conditions and also initialization. Now I will print that values. Okay, see here system.out.println. Now I want to print like the sum is like that, so I have to given in double quotes some information that is the sum is this one we have to give that one on this one we have to give in double quotes, not this like C, not this because we are printing some. So because we are printing some value, so we can't give that in double quotes. Where if you want to print like the sum is we want this one in only in output, then only we can give in double quotes. Okay, here I have given some and system.out.println the sum ఇక్కడ subtraction is d. Why I am here d? Why I am given here d? Because I have initialization the subtraction as d. So that's why I am giving here d. Same thing I will do. Sorry. Subtraction here multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication is for multiplication what I am given what I have given e I have given here so you have to initialize, you have to give also here only system dot ut dot print ln the divide the divided value value is here. What I am given here f. So here also I have to give f only. Now see the output once. See here we got addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. So we can print like this. If you want to take value from user means then you can use scanner class. See what I did here. First I have given here package because I am using Eclipse already, you know that. And this is the main class and the class name is operators, and this is the main method already, you know this. Actually I have explained this in previous video. If you are not watched means that you can go and watch it. This all are initializations, and this is all are printing. So already you know addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator. That's only way I have used it here on here. Now I will take the values from user by using scanner class. Let's see that. Okay. If you want to take a value from user means then you can use here import java util dot. Here 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 we can give a scanner also, but scanner is only for only for sometimes, but it will its star is meant for all times. Okay, so that's why I'm giving here also star. Now I will create a scanner plus scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Sorry, system dot in. Why it's giving error? New scanner. Wait. I will run it in online. Maybe online compiler. See here. System dot out dot println. I am I am I am taking values from user, right? So I am asking to user enter some values. Okay, enter two values in integer. Okay, see here. User will give two values, right, in integer. So I have to read that value. So I will use here int n equals to sc dot next int. See here I have used here integer. See here I am used here integer. So then I can read that values. Then I can read that values. uh, I am creating another one because I am asking to user to enter two values. So I have to read that two values. So I am using another one also. Next. So I have now what I am did here. I have created scanner class, and I am asking to user to enter two values, and I am reading that two values. Now I have to print that two values. Okay. System dot out dot println. And but because why I am giving here n only, because I am given here initialization n, so I am giving here also n. System dot out dot println print ln Guys, actually, I am having with I am having problem with Eclipse, so I can't run this code. I can I can I run this code in online compiler? You can watch the video. Okay. See, guys, here I am using online compiler, right? So no need to use package, and also we must and should give only main class name as class name. Now let's see what happens here. See guys, here it is asking enter two values in integer. So I am giving 65 and 70 67. See here it is printing 65 and 67. Actually, first of what I am did here means, see here I have used this, and I have created one scanner class to take values from user, and I am asking enter two values in integer, and I have used this to read. I have used to this to read the values from user, and I have used this printing method to print the values. That's it. And what we have learned today: how to add addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and how to take the values from user. That's it by using scanner class. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel, and if you are not subscribed, means subscribe this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt, means go on comment this below. Comment below. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. That's it.